Ganda talaga dito, no?
Well, dito yung accommodation na nirecommend ng school, kaya ito namin kayo dinala.
Salamat sa tulong niyo, ha, Sean, Elijah, tsaka Sean. Pero parang, ang mahal.
Mas mahal ka naman ni Sean eh.
Yun, oh! Yun talaga yun!
Sir, kailangan nyo ng tulong. But more than that, it's our choice to help. Just to be with you. Here. Now.
Wow! Grabe ka, boy! Laki ng ginastos para matuloy yung ligawan kay Zep, boy, ah!
Yun!
Tayo eh.